Alright guys, hey, I'm the Microkill here, and today we're going to be unboxing some cards from the Yu-Gi-Oh! Legendary Collection 4 Joey's World. I haven't uploaded in a very long time, and I got these because I was on a nostalgia trip, so yeah. So, in this collection, it comes with, not in a pack, or not in, like in a clear foil, in a clear pack. It comes with 6 tokens. They're all different colored goats. If you want to see them, I can post a video later. Trap card. Last will. Looks pretty cool. I'm not going to be reading the effects of these, and because I don't want to have 10 minutes, or not a 10-minute video, an hour-long video for you guys. So yeah. And then it comes with a spell card, Harpy Lady Phoenix Formation. Wow. And then the monster, Blue Flame Swordsman. He's a warrior effect monster, and if you want to have his effect read, just search up his name. Now, I already started off by opening a single pack because I couldn't contain myself. So I started off with a spell card, Pyramid of Wonders. It's a spell card, and as you can tell, it's first edition, and it's for zombie monsters. That's cool. I'm making little. I'm messing up so badly. I'm making some. You can't really see it, but I'm making piles here, and I'll pick them up and show them by the end. Next is the spell card, Silent Doom. It's a little hand with a lightning ball. Ooh, here's a spell card that I know, Black Pendant. It's an equipped card, and it's 500 attack points, and when it gets sent to the graveyard, it inflicts 500 damage. I knew that off the top of my head, and I'm proud of that. I shouldn't be. Next is the fusion monster, Black Skull Dragon. You get it using polymerization with Summon Skull and Red Eyes Black Dragon. Next is the trap card, Horn of Heaven. When a monster will be summoned, tribute one monster, negate the summon. If you do, destroy that monster. Next, I kind of dropped the cards, so if these are out of order from rares and stuff, I'm sorry. Next is the Hippo thing, Cabazals. It's a monster card that's level 4, well, if you want to see it. It's a dinosaur. Rex Raptor. Next is the dinosaur effect card, Dark Triceratops. It's just a piercing is its effect. Oh, these are a bunch of dinosaurs. Oh, dinosaurs. And then the next one is the Miracle Jurassic Egg. And it's another dinosaur effect. It seems like it'll be useful. The next is a trap card, Collected Power. And it looks pretty cool. It's like Spirit Bomb. That's the end of the first pack. Now let's open. Oh, if you want to see what the packs look like, here they are. So let's open this one. I haven't opened card packs in a very long time, so if I have trouble opening some of these, I apologize in advance. Right now I'm just hoping nobody enters. I'm messing this up. first card of this one is the monster card, Fear from the Dark. It's a zombie effect card. This card is sent here from your hand to protect you. That's a nice effect. If you want me to have a video reading off some of these effects, just let me know in the comments. But yeah, and if you guys enjoy unboxing videos like these, I can probably set it up better next time. But just let me know, and whenever I have another box, I can open it up for you guys. I'm gonna end this video at like 15 minutes because this may go on to another video, so I apologize in advance. But the next card is the trap card, Treacherous Trap Hole. This card is actually on my deck on the Dueling Network, which is a website. And it's if you have no trap cards in your graveyard, you can destroy two monsters on the field. Ooh, another dragon card from that monster. Red Eyes Darkness Dragon. It's a dragon effect, and yeah, this is actually pretty good. Now I just need a Red Eyes Black Dragon, and I can actually use those cards. And a Summon Skull for the other one. And the next is a monster card, Lesser Fiend. It is a Fiend effect card, and it seems pretty cool. Alright, the next one is the spell card, Zombie World. And yeah. This one looks pretty silly. This is the monster card, Destroyer-saurus. It looks really silly, and it has a stupid name. But I mean, it seems like it would be kind of cool if you have a Jurassic World, which is its effect has in it. The next is a spell card, Harpy's Hunting Ground. I don't understand why this would be in a Joey's world when Harpies is my thing. Whatever. The next is the monster card, Fiber Jar. It's a plant effect monster with a flip effect. And then the Anthrosaurus monster card. I'm sorry, I was reading its little description. This man-like dinosaur has got a high IQ, even though he's lacking in the strength department. Kinda like you if you had not a high IQ. Nah. I'm sorry, that just got me. Well. I have less packs than I thought. So this video may end up being unboxing maybe a single video. Here we go. So the first monster, or not the first monster, but the first card is a monster card, and it's the Black Tyranno. It's obviously a dinosaur card, and it's also an effect card. The next card is the Blowback Dragon. It's a machine effect card, and if you want me to go back and read all the effects later, as I stated before, just let me know in the comments, and I'll make a couple videos reading those off. Next is the monster card, Shadow Tamer. It's a level 3 warrior effect. And yeah, it seems kind of cool. Next is the monster card, Harpy's Pet Dragon. Sorry, I tried to make my voice different on that one. And it's a dragon effect monster, and it's actually used in the show by Mai. If you watch the show and if I'm crazy, I apologize. Next is a dinosaur, Sabersaurus. It's just a dinosaur. No effect. This just loves giving you everything except a red eyes black dragon. Seeing how it's a red eyes black chick, which its effect is special summon when red eyes black dragon by tributing that, not tributing, but sending it to the graveyard, which is tributing. What am I saying? Next we have the Amazonas Scouts Warrior effect cards. During either player's turn, you can tribute this card. Oh, I wasn't going to read the effects. Sorry. I'm interested in these. Next card is the Rocket Warrior. It's a warrior effect. As you can tell by the name, it's a warrior. And yeah. Whew. This card can't be destroyed by battle during my battle phase. That means something, if you know what it means. Next and final one for this pack is the Tiger Axe common card. It's just a beast warrior. Now we have 2 packs left, including the one I'm opening right now. So this won't be that much longer. Don't do that at home. I am not a trained professional, and I probably shouldn't have done that in the first place. I always just have my finger open. That's a great story. So why do you have a bandage, Billy? My name isn't Billy, but for the story. Oh yeah, I cut myself opening Yu-Gi-Oh packs. Dumb Billy. Next, we have the Dragon Say Are You. It's a monster card, as you can tell. A lot of monster cards in here. Next one is another monster card, Reborn Zombie. And it's a zombie effect. Probably something with not being destroyed. Oh, here's another card that was used in the show. It's the trap card, Chain Destruction. A lot more of these were probably actually used in the show. Just I am not fully finished rewatching it, and my memory is vague on that. Next, we have another monster card, and it's a fiend, not a dragon. Beige, Vanguard of the Dark World. It's a fiend effect. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Here is one of Joey's cards that he uses very often, normally in combination with a Panther Warrior. It's a spell card, Scapegoat. It summons 4 tokens, which is why they probably had these in there, the token cards from earlier. Then we have the Winged Beast, Harpy Lady 2. There was 3 different designs in the show, so, and probably in the manga, so they just made it Harpy Lady 1, Harpy Lady 2, and Harpy Lady 3, and it's just Harpy Lady, but it looks different. Trust me, they're different. Trust me. Then, so, the next is a monster card used by a certain Weevil Underwood called the Insect Queen, which was taken by Joey, obviously, because it's in Joey's world. And yeah, It has a different effect than it does in the show, I think. Yes. No, it doesn't. Maybe. I don't know. I didn't really read the effect. Oh. And then we have Misaki, the legendary swordsman. He is a 1100 level 4 monster. I'm sorry if I go into more detail for some of these monsters instead of others. I just sometimes remember some of them more than I do the others. And then finally, it's a spell card, Vengeful Bog Spirit. It has a short effect, so you won't read that. Monsters cannot attack at the time they are summoned. So it's a continuous spell card. Oh, I guess it'll be a 20-minute video seeing how I'm opening the last packing right now. But if you're able to stick this far, I'm sorry I don't have any flashy stuff, anything like that. But yeah, I'm actually really enjoying opening these because it's a trip through nostalgia for me. And yeah. So, if you guys want me to do this in the future, I'll waste some more money. Not waste, but I'll use some more money of getting another collection, and I'll unbox that. Also, if you know me in real life, and you actually have a deck of Yu-Gi-Oh cards, and you want to fight me, come at me, bro. Can't believe I just said that. So starting off this, we have the spell card, Jurassic World. And it just boosts dinosaur-type monsters' attack and defense by 300. Then we have the trap card, Survival Instinct. It looks actually kind of cool. It's like dinosaurs. And it has to deal with dinosaurs. I'm sorry, I'm enjoying this if you can't tell. Next is the monster card, Gravekeeper's Priestess. It's a spellcaster effect. Now, since I'm running low in time, I won't I won't waste it on looking at the effects. This is all one take, as you can probably tell, and unedited. I'm just using the record from my webcam function on YouTube. So, next is a spell card, Monster Reborn. You don't have to describe that effect, it's in the name. Then it's the Pot of Avarice spell card. And yeah, that seems... I like the Monster Reborn design a lot better. Next is the Pyramid Turtle. It's a turtle with a pyramid on its back instead of a shell. It's kind of funny. It's a zombie somehow. I don't know. I'm gonna look through these later. Probably has something to do with its effect. Then it's the trap card, Judgment of Anubis. Anubis is an Egyptian god, and he helps people traverse into find their way into the afterlife. I guess he's like Thanatos from Greek. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. Next we have the Helpomer monster card. Is a fiend effect, and I need to read that effect because his design is creepy. So, and the last card from the packs is Harpy Girl. 500 winged beast. Now, if I know this correctly, I'll show this off real quick because I'm already going way longer than I wanted to. Because this is a special pack thing, I got, if I can open this up fully. Oh no, this is just for one person. It's a template for battling on a single side. And then on the other side there's a design which looks kind of cool. I don't know if you could see that well because it was in front of my vision. But yeah. So, I would like to thank you all for watching. And yeah, for putting up with me as I showed the opening of these fine things. So, sorry, some things, they were just out of order, and it was bugging me. Tiny bit of OCD, I guess. But, thank you all for watching me unbox the Legendary Collection for Joey's World. If you want one of these, I got this for about 20 bucks, 25, and if you think it's worth it. For me, it was worth it because of nostalgia. But if you guys want me to open up another box like these, there's other boxes. I know one of them is Yugi's World. I don't know any of the other ones though. I didn't really look into it. I just like Joey. So if you want to see another unboxing like this in the future, you can give me money if you know me in real life and tell me like, yo, slut, go do that, and then that's not sexual. No, just be like, yo, use this money and buy another to unbox because I enjoyed your other one, and then I may give you like a consolation, like a card or something from the unboxing. But hey, if you enjoyed, give a like, comment, subscribe, rate it. I don't care. But I'd like to see you next time my worthless self is willing to make another video. Peace off. Peace.